So, welcome to the Hall of Magnificence. I'm so happy to welcome you, Jansi. And I want to know your story. Everybody wants to know your story. Tell me about yourself. You are part of Hall of Magnificence because you have created a success story. Everybody wants to know. So, just start.
First of all, I thank you, ma'am. You helped me in many ways. I'm going to tell everything to the world. You are a great person. Really, you made a lot of difference in me. So I'm Jansi from Tamil Nadu. I completed my schooling and all education in OT. Uh, yes, I completed my BSc Mathematics in OT and education, B.Ed education in Coimbatore.
Okay.
Then after wedding, I want to continue my education. So I completed my MA English.
Yeah.
Then I settled in Tiruvallur
Yeah.
near Chennai.
Okay.
Uh, Teaching is my passion, so I want to do something extra to do to my kids. So
Yeah.
I was trained up in abacus in Brain of Brain. So I'm an abacus teacher basically. Yes, I've been teaching for 18 years. So
Wow.
I have connection with my kids for 18 years.
Wow.
Uh, this pandemic made me so stressful because the bondage was broken
Yeah.
because of this pandemic. So
Mm-hmm.
I want something to do for my kids
Right.
because I am so much attached with my kids. I want to give them something extra for them in the language.
Yeah.
That is, I want to improve their English communication.
Yeah.
So I was thinking what I have to do. I was thinking I didn't get any correct way. At that time in the Facebook, I was searching many things, and I saw your ad. I was so attached to your so nice ad. So immediately I joined on September 13th.
Yeah.
It's my wedding day.
Yeah.
So yes, ma'am. So
Yeah.
on that wedding anniversary, so I
Wow.
joined
Happy
on the.
anniversary in like even though it is delayed, happy anniversary.
Thank you, ma'am. I joined your Magnificent Morning.
Yeah.
Really very excellent program. So lively. I went through all your exercises
Yeah.
from saltwater bath, from mirror meditation, everything. I did whatever you taught in that Magnificent Morning.
Yeah.
I did everything. Daily I worked out. Daily I did everything.
Yeah.
But after a month, I got some clarity in my mind. What I have to do and what is my purpose.
Yeah.
I found my purpose as to empower the kids. That is the main purpose I found in myself.
Correct.
And so I have to work on that. I did my mirror. I joined that everything, whatever you announced. I joined in my God. It's
Yeah.
so very nice. Uh, Watching you daily is a great thing for me, for great motivation for me. Every day I got energy from you. That is so nice.
Happy to serve.
Yes,
Amazing. So now that you're teaching kids and you do it online, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I started my website teenyenglish.org. I started that website.
Oh,
22 kids from India they registered.
wow.
So I formed a small course on dictionary mastery course.
Uh-huh.
Then, apart from that dictionary mastery course, I extended to pronunciation course, and then now I am conducting some meetings with the international schools.
Okay. That's amazing. So what is the age group of the students that you are catering to?
My kids' ages from 8 to 14, ma'am.
Okay.
8 to 14.
Okay. So basically third standard students.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you
Fourth.
take their session every day?
Weekly 2 days I am taking classes.
Okay.
I have divided them into batches, small batches.
Okay.
because kids needs more attention towards them. So I divided them to small batches, and I trained them in public speaking.
Yeah.
I am giving practice for them.
Okay.
And I feel the future world is full of communication is the main part.
Correct.
I want them to train with the other country kids.
Right, right. So now suppose if MLC parents, Magnificent Life Challenge parents or WFC parents, they want to approach you and they want to enroll their child with you, how can they contact you?
They can reach my website, and there is a form there. They can subscribe. Then we will contact them.
Please tell me your website name again for the
Yes,
audience.
ma'am.
Yeah.
teenyenglish.org.
Okay, Teeny English, that is TINY.
TEENY.
TEENY, Teeny.
Teeny English.
English.
ENGLISH.org.
Okay, super. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these students now, though they are going to be with you for a year, or what is the duration of the program?
My for the public speaking practice, I am for as of now, I found a 6 months period I need to train them up. So because in 6 months period, this is the first batch I am taking, so I need 6 months period. I am connecting with all the other schools in the world. I have prepared a PPT about all that. I want to show it to you, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Yes.
We'll check it out soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Jhansi, now you had the experience of being a teacher, and now you have changed your lifestyle completely as an online teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this transition must have brought some kind of changes in your mindset, thought process, your mindset towards generating income or looking at your side hustle for yourself. Would you like to share some experience?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want something to do with the kid. I want some great change to that kid. So I started that website. After starting that website, 22 kids joined. In that kids, each kid, I'm taking care of each one separately. I'm taking care of each one, and I'm looking after their spoken English. I'm mainly concentrating on their spoken part.
Yeah.
Basic, I teach 5 days for that grammar part, the basic grammar, how to form the sentences. After formation of the sentences, they are thorough with that. Then I am taking them for the public speaking with the other country kids. From Mexico, I got a very good friend. She gave a chance for my kids to speak with their kids.
Wow.
We both arranged a small meeting, and
yes, that's huge.
They interacted with each other, so that the kid feels very confident in them. Now they are preparing their own PPTs, and they are showing everything they are doing on their own. I am not helping them in any way, just I am conducting the meeting.
Super. Yes. You are giving international interaction to the kids as well, so that they can get exposed to a wider audience, wider dialect and tonality and pronunciation as well.
Yes, ma'am. Everything I am trying to, because the practical way of communication comes out, and they are learning from the other cultures. From the other culture kids, that is I feel that is the main thing I am giving to my kids.
Correct. So how many total students you have? 22?
Now 22, ma'am.
Amazing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And now, what is your reaction of your family members when they see you?
Yeah. They are so amazed. My husband is looking at me like this. What? You are doing alone. I'm doing everything, and you are sitting at home and connecting with the whole world. Every day I am getting message from different countries. Jhansi, shall we meet on this day? Shall we arrange meeting? I connected with only one person first. From that teacher, I got many connections from other teachers. I was really very happy. That is because of you, ma'am. You told me in the one-on-one session. You told me you focus on what you want. That word catched me very nicely. Daily, when I'm doing the mirror meditation, I'll focus on only one thing. I want to empower my kids. I want to take my kids to the whole international level. I want to connect with the whole world.
You are representing a true teacher, like there's so much to learn from you. I'm learning from you when you're telling me your story and your experience is amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, no wonder you are on Hall of Magnificence.
Thank you. Thank you for this great opportunity for me, ma'am.
Tell me, what is your message for the people? Like, on this road of self-discovery, which I always ask, is my common question. Now, sometimes it happens that we are going full swing, like full speed. And then suddenly there will be some hiccups, external factors not helping us, people around us are making us feel low, our energy gets depleted, right? How do you pick yourself up? What is your message for everybody to maintain their consistency?
Yes, ma'am. And for me, my great boon is meeting you, ma'am. I got more positive energy from you. That is the first thing I have to thank you. And the next one, I know everyone should look after their inner self very strong, because we have to care first ourselves.
Yes.
If we are strong, we no need to bother about others. We no need to bother about the other things. Nothing will happen to us. So when I think the inner power, we should be very, very strong.
Correct.
Other external matters, nothing will bother us.
Correct. Yeah, that's very, very true. Thank you for sharing this.
Yes, ma'am.
Your audience are going to love listening to you, Jhansi. And I'm blessing you, and I have all these prayers that you're flooded with students. Like
thank you, ma'am.
Thousands of students should come to you, and Jhansi has to be like a nationwide, international.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, that is my clear dream. I have a very perfect dream. I want to connect all my kids to be connected throughout the world. Throughout the world, every kid, each and every should be connected. They should communicate easily. They should mingle one with one another. They should learn all the cultures. And I think this corona brought us and the online media and online together. We all humans together. Love is the last thing.
Yeah.
And that is the main thing in the world. We have to love each other.
Yes, exactly. Very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing, Jhansi. So I am understanding that all these programs which you attended diligently, like you did it yourself, your discipline, consistency, self-love, relationship with money, relationship with others, your health, physical health, yeah, all of that got in shape, yeah?
Yes,
everything
ma'am.
was great?
Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much. So I again looking forward to, you have another goal which you have to accomplish, okay? And again, I'm willing to interview you for Hall of Magnificence. You just achieve it, let me know, and I'll see you again.
And I want to show one PPT. I made that in the Magnificent Morning. It is Jhansi 2.0, as you told. Let me show a small.
Yes. I'll make you a co-host right away, and please show me.
Yes, ma'am. This is the PPT I sent to you in the month of October.
Right.
This is my vision.
Yes.
I enjoy life as it is. That is true, ma'am. Whatever comes in my life, I take it as an enjoyment. I fit an ideal weight with healthy lifestyle on 1st of January and 2021. Yes, I achieved that. I am really very fit now. I am going on with my fitness. The next thing, my education service to kids empower each kid, and I am in their memories forever. This is my life goal, ma'am. No service reaches to all over. My service reaches all over the world. I am connected to the whole world. And these are the pictures. This is from Poland school, uh, Czech Republic, and this is from Mexico. My kids are enjoying. They are singing some songs, and they perform dances too. It is a cultural meet.
Amazing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from Mexico. The school named Via Reggio. They invited us. My small kids performed their stories.
Great.
Yes, ma'am. From Russia, we
Okay.
had a meeting.
What story you have created? Amazing. I'm thrilled to see it. Across the world.
From Turkey, from more than 200 members joined, and Baito from Poland, another school.
Yeah.
So then Bulgaria, we had a cooking cultural meet. It's so fun, and my kids enjoyed a lot. They did a live cooking show.
Amazing.
So this is again from Poland and Czech
You are
Republic.
completely international. My.
This is Nisa. We had a cartoon character storytelling. My kids prepared their PPT on their own. They shared their PPT, and this is again from Moldova.
Yeah.
Yesterday we had a Teen Talks competition from Turkey. Many international teen talkers, they presented their all PPTs. My kids, 4 kids participated there.
Yeah.
And they will be receiving the certificate.
Yeah.
And from Via Reggio, we got the certificate for my teeny English. And I created my teacher's portfolio. My friend Editia, she did this for me.
Yeah. Very nice.
And this is my teenyenglish.org.
Yes.
And this is my course structure.
Yes.
So mainly I designed as 30 live classes. And I am giving home practice, everything in daily play-way method. So the kids are really very fond of this course.
Yeah.
They're liking.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing this PPT. This is going to be more helpful for you to grow. This will be more helpful for the audience to understand who you are. And we will also approach you. Yeah, and I'm so happy to share all this international flavor.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are the one who made my wandering thoughts to a clear path, ma'am. I have a very clear mental moving and a very clear path. That is only because of you. I am very thankful to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm really humbled, and I'm so grateful and I'm blessed that I could meet you and I could make some ripple effect in your life.
Thank you, ma'am. I too feel I am blessed. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.